Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert any video to anime for free. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open my video. So this is my video. I just want to convert this one into anime video. What I have to do here, and simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. So this is my video. What I have to do here, just go to Chrome browser and type Go Enhance. Once you type Go Enhance, there will be a Go Enhance AI website will be open. Here I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Go Enhance AI. So this is the model. So you can see the normal video into anime video as you see here. So it is a simple and easiest way. So you can try this one as a free one. Just click a try enhance for free. Once you click a try enhance for free, so automatically it will open like a Windows box. So I just want to convert this kind of a videos for my normal video into this kind of video. What I have to do here, so there will be a video to video will be there. Just hit the button video to video, automatically it will move into video to video option. So first and foremost, you can drag and drop your files. The file size should be 30 MB and 5 second below it should be there, because if 10 second mean VIP, 20 second means is in a pro. So 3 seconds and 5 seconds will be you can use for the Instagram and Facebook or any types of reels you can make it. So what you have to do here, so first and foremost, just click here to drag and drop. So once you click here to drag and drop, it will ask you for start for free, no credit cards are needed. So continue with a Google. So just click continue with the Google, whatever Google account you have. So you can just click here to join and log in with that Google account. So just click here to continue, so that Go Enhance will, without any other cost, it will be connecting to your account. So now I can able to upload my file. I can able to create this kind of videos. What I have to do here, so just click a video to video option. Once you click a video to video option, it will ask you for upload your files over here. Just click here to drag and drop or upload the file over here. So I just select and click here to upload my file. So once I click open, automatically my file is uploading over here. And simple and easiest tip, I can convert the video into the different types of format. So once I upload the files over here, so there will be a cute anime style will be there. So my video is uploaded. So here there will be a cute anime style will be there. The style, just hit the button. There are plenty of slides will be available. So cute anime style and pop-up and lot of styles will be available. Pixar style also will be available. You can choose and add whatever you want. So I just want to add some pop art style over here. So once I select the pop art style, so you can choose a video duration like a 3 second or 5 second. You can choose, as I say, this or the free one, this or the VIP and Pro. You need to renew for that. So I just want to select some 3 seconds. And if I want to add some seeds, I can add the seeds, or just click here to generate. Once I click a generate option, the generating started over here. So your video will be starting over here. So waiting to start, so that you can able to get that video. You can download your video as you see here. So you will have your video download option, regenerate, and 2K function will be there. So you can choose according to your needs, and you can wait for 6 minutes of time. It will be ready for your video. Yes, as you see here, so my video is converted from this to this, as you see. So I can able to play this one. See this, my entire video is converting to pop art style over here. So within a 30 seconds or 5 seconds will be there. So if I want to download this file, I just click here to download. It is a free one, so I can able to download successfully. My files is downloading. So simple and easiest tip, my video I have, and I converted into a pop-art style, and I have to wait for 6 minutes to convert everything to that, and I can able to play and see this one. So simple and easiest tip, use this option to create your own video with the pop-up style and different kind of styles. Whatever styles you have, everything will be there. You can choose and access and enjoy your files. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.